In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service using Wix Bookings, an essential feature for managing appointments and bookings through your website. Whether you're a small business owner managing service bookings or someone unfamiliar with the Wix platform, I'm here to guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring you understand each step along the way. First, you'll need to navigate to your website's dashboard on Wix. This is your central hub for managing your site, and you'll want to ensure you're familiar with it if you're managing your services. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the side menu where you'll find Wix Bookings. Click on it to open the Wix Bookings interface, which is specifically designed to help you manage your services and appointments efficiently. Next, within the Wix Bookings section, you'll see a menu. Here, look for the option labeled Booking Services. You might find it directly or under the Catalog section. Click on it to proceed. This area is where you'll manage all services related to your bookings, making it crucial to become familiar with it. After accessing booking services, look for the button that says Add a New Service. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can enter all the necessary service details. It's important to take your time on this page, as the information you enter here will define how your customers perceive and engage with your service. Starting with general information, you want to add a catchy name, tagline, and a comprehensive description for your service. Remember, this is the first impression potential clients will have, so make sure it accurately reflects what you're offering while enticing them to book. Then, move on to service details. Here, you'll specify how long the service lasts and any buffer time needed between appointments. This helps manage your schedule effectively. Additionally, make sure to select a payment method that suits your business needs, whether it's online payment or in-person transactions. Next, consider pricing. Enter the price of your service and don't forget to set up sales or membership plans if you offer them. This can make your service more attractive and help you draw in repeat customers. The staff section is up next. Here, you need to assign staff members who are qualified to perform the service. This ensures that your bookings are managed by the right people, maintaining quality and reliability for your clients. In the location section, choose your business address or enter a custom location. If you're offering services online, make sure to specify that here to avoid any confusion. Finally, don't forget to upload any relevant images or a banner that represent the service. Visuals can greatly enhance customer interest and understanding. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a new service to your Wix Bookings page. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your bookings are set up just the way you want them, providing an effective and professional service to your customers.